Hello everyone! Is your car acting strange with sudden power loss or sensor failures? Your OBD-II scanner might be showing P0651, sensor reference voltage B circuit open. This code means a problem in the 5V reference voltage system, which affects critical sensors like the throttle position sensor, fuel pressure sensor, or map sensor. If ignored, it can lead to erratic engine behavior and performance issues. In this video, I'll explain what P0651 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key components to fix it. Let's dive in. What is P0651? The P0651 code stands for Sensor Reference Voltage B Circuit Open. Your car's powertrain control module, PCM, sends a 5V reference signal to various engine sensors. If this voltage supply is disrupted or missing, the affected sensors can't send accurate data to the PCM, causing engine performance issues. When the PCM detects an open circuit in the B reference voltage, it triggers P0651. This means some sensors may stop working, leading to unexpected engine problems. Common symptoms of P0651: check engine light on erratic or rough idling, sudden power loss or hesitation, poor acceleration, hard starting or stalling, other sensor-related codes like TPS, map, or fuel pressure sensor errors. If you notice these symptoms, it's time to locate the important components related to this error. To diagnose P0651, check these key components. Powertrain control module, PCM. Location, typically mounted on the firewall, fender, or under the dashboard. Function, sends 5V reference signals to multiple sensors. A fault here can disrupt sensor operations. Throttle position sensor, TPS. Location, mounted on the throttle body near the intake manifold. Function, measures throttle position for smooth acceleration. Manifold absolute pressure, MAP, sensor. Location, on the intake manifold or throttle body. Function, monitors air pressure for fuel-air mixture calculations. Fuel pressure sensor. Location, near the fuel rail or fuel line. Function, measures fuel pressure to ensure proper fuel delivery. Wiring and connectors. Location, between the PCM, sensors, and fuse box. Function, delivers the 5V reference signal. A broken or corroded wire can cause P0651. Common causes of P0651, broken or disconnected wire in the 5V reference circuit. A common reason for P0651, faulty PCM. If the PCM isn't sending the correct voltage, multiple sensors may fail. Short circuit in one of the connected sensors. A failing sensor can disrupt the entire 5V circuit. Corroded or loose connectors. Moisture or damage in the wiring can break the voltage supply. Blown fuse in the 5V reference circuit. A simple but often overlooked issue. How to fix P0651. Step 1. Check for other sensor-related codes. If you have codes for TPS, MAP, or fuel pressure sensors, they may be linked to P0651. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded, or broken wires in the 5V reference circuit. Step 3. Test the PCM output. Use a multimeter to check if the PCM is supplying a steady 5V reference to the sensors. Step 4. Check individual sensors. Disconnect sensors one by one to see if a faulty sensor is shorting the circuit. Step 5. Replace blown fuses. If a fuse in the 5V reference circuit is blown, replace it and test again. Step 6. Reset the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to clear the code and check if the issue returns. Ignoring P0651 can cause sensor failures, rough engine performance, and even stalling. Fixing it ensures your car's 5V reference system works properly, preventing further damage to essential sensors. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0558, brake booster pressure sensor circuit high voltage. P0559, brake booster pressure sensor circuit intermittent. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car diagnostics.